How do I?
Refinish the kitchen worktops without getting covered in worktop oil.
So normally when you're sorting out your kitchen worktops, you just get covered in oil. It doesn't really matter what the oil is. I like to use tung oil, but I mean, there's loads out there. All I'm doing is using one of those little kind of supermarket dishes, doing the dishes kind of spongy handle things, as you can see here. They cost about £2. You fill them up with the oil. There's a little sponge on the end, and it is great for nicely, evenly giving you a decent, consistent coating of whatever oil you're using over your worktops, and it spreads it really well. When you fill it up for the first time, I'll just kind of pour a blob on the worktop and then spread it around, and then the action of doing that, squeezing the sponge, kind of draws out what's in the little handle, and then every so often you just go along and top it up, and away you go. Clean hands, clean kitchen, no mess, no fuss.
Hey Siri, set timer for 30 minutes.